Before we tell you this story, we would like to remind you there is no sound in space, only a vacuum. Unlike light, sound waves can't pass through a vacuum, so you cannot hear anything in space. This is why astronaut suits have special communication gear built inside them, so that they can converse with each other and mission control on Earth. Astronaut Yang Liwei became the first astronaut to be sent into space by the Chinese space program in 2003. He was sitting in his space shuttle when he repeatedly heard a knock. According to Liwei, it sounded like somebody hammering an iron bucket with a mallet made of wood. As sound can't travel in space, Liwei couldn't discern if the knocking was inside the shuttle or outside. Anxious, Liwei looked out the porthole, but he didn't see anything that could explain the mysterious knocking. After returning to Earth, Liwei tried to explain the knocking to experts, but he failed to recreate the exact sound he heard in space. The story becomes eerier because many other Chinese astronauts claim to hear similar sounds on their space trips during 2005 and 2008.